We are now seeing the devastating aftermath of the deadly hurricane that swept Mexico. At least 27 people were killed in Hurricane Otis, and officials say the death toll could rise. Survivors in Acapulco are left reeling from the widespread destruction and hoping for much needed aid. Right now, about 500,000 homes are still without power. Otis took many by surprise when it rapidly strengthened from a tropical storm to a Cat 5 hurricane.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.